Hey, crypto explorers! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the Interlink Network, a really interesting project that's all about creating a trusted human network on the blockchain. If you're looking for new ways to get involved in Web3 and potentially earn some crypto, specifically the ITLG token, right from your phone, then you're in the right place. Interlink uses cool tech like AI-powered facial ID to make sure users are real people, not bots, which is pretty neat for building a secure ecosystem. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to sign up for the Interlink Network app, how the reward system works, how you can earn those ITLG tokens, and finally, we'll do a quick tour of the app's main features. Ready to jump in? Let's get started. Part 1, Signing Up. Alright, first things first, getting the app and setting up your account. Step 1, download the app. Head over to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and search for Interlink Network. Download and install it. Step 2, create your account. Once installed, open the app. You'll need to register. Create your Interlink ID, this will be your unique identifier. The app might suggest creating a random ID, or you might need to create one that's typically 4 to 12 characters long. Some guides mention using numbers only, so keep an eye on the app's instructions. Set up your PIN, you'll create a 6-digit PIN for security. Make sure it's something secure that you'll remember. Face verification, this is a key part of Interlink. You'll need to complete a face scan. This is how they ensure it's one person, one account, and helps build that trusted network. Just follow the on-screen prompts, it's usually quick and easy. Step 3, first login. After registration, you'll log in using your new Interlink ID, your PIN, and likely another quick face scan to confirm it's you. Step 4, enter an invitation code. Many crypto apps have referral programs, and Interlink is no different. After you log in, look for a section like Referral in your profile, or a field that might be called Human Hash Power. Hey, I have given my referral code in the comments section. Entering it here can give you a nice starting bonus like extra tokens or a boost to your initial mining speed. Step 5, link email and wallet. The app might also prompt you to add your email address for recovery or updates, and potentially link an external wallet, though Interlink is also working on an integrated wallet feature. And that's it for the sign up. Pretty straightforward, right? Part 2, Earning Rewards, Mining ITLG Tokens. Okay, so you're in the app. Now, how do you actually start earning those ITLG tokens? The main way to earn on Interlink is through their mobile mining feature. Claiming ITLG tokens. The app allows you to claim ITLG tokens periodically. From what we've seen, you can typically claim rewards every 4 hours. So, make it a habit to check in a few times a day. There'll be a button, often saying something like, Claim ITLG, or similar, usually right on the home screen. Just tap it, and the tokens are added to your in-app balance. Active engagement. The more active and engaged you are within the Interlink ecosystem, the better your potential rewards will be. This can tie into your trust score, which the platform uses to reward genuine participation. Referral program. We touched on this in the sign-up. By inviting your friends to join Interlink using your unique referral code, you can often earn bonus tokens or a percentage of their mining activity. Look for a referral or invite friends section in the app to find your code and share it. This is a great way to boost your earnings if you help grow the network. Remember, consistency is key with these kinds of apps. Regular check-ins to claim your tokens and participating in the community can add up over time. Part 3, App Walkthrough, Key Features. Now that you know how to sign up and earn, let's take a quick tour of what else you can find inside the Interlink Network app. While features can evolve, here are some of the core components you'll likely interact with. 1. Dashboards. This is usually where you'll land after logging in. You'll likely see your $ITLG balance, the button to claim your tokens, and maybe some quick stats or news. 2. Interlink ID and Profile. This section is all about your unique digital identity on the network. You might find your trust score here, options to manage your security settings, and your referral code. 3. Mining section, a dedicated area showing your mining status, claim timer, and perhaps your mining rate, base reward, human hash reward and total rewards. 4th. Wallet. Interlink aims to have an integrated crypto wallet. This is where you'll manage your earned ITLG tokens, and potentially other digital assets in the future. You might see options to send, receive, or store your tokens here. 5. Mini App Marketplace. This is an exciting feature. Interlink plans to host a marketplace of integrated Web3 apps and services that you can access using your Interlink ID. Keep an eye on this for new utilities and ways to use your ITLG. 6. News and Updates, a section to keep you informed about project developments, new features, or announcements from the Interlink team. 7. Settings, your standard app settings for notifications, language, support, etc. Leaderboards/games, some sources mention leaderboards and games. They could be fun ways to engage and potentially earn more by competing. The app is designed to be a gateway to the Interlink ecosystem. So, explore around. As the project develops, we'll likely see even more features and functionalities added. So there you have it, a detailed look at the Interlink Network app, from signing up and earning $ITLG tokens to navigating its key features. It's an interesting project with a strong focus on verified human identity in the Web3 space. If you're interested in mobile crypto mining and like the idea of a bot-free network, Interlink might be worth checking out. As always, remember that the crypto space involves risk, so do your own research before diving into any project, and never invest more than you're willing to lose. This video is for informational and educational purposes only. What are your thoughts on Interlink? Are you already using it? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto content, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.